Last year we made a big survey for children and young people in Wales. We called it Ambitions for Wales because we wanted to hear your ideas about how to make Wales a better place. And almost 9,000 of you told us how you feel about lots of different things and about what you want Rocio to do as your Children's Commissioner. Her job is to listen to and to speak up for children and young people in Wales, and to make sure that the Welsh Government and other people who make decisions about your lives take your rights seriously. Here is some of what you told us, and as a result, what Rocio will do over the next 3 years to make a difference to the things that matter to you.
For the country not just to ask our opinion, but to really take it on board and listen.
Rocio wants to make sure that adults are doing all they can to listen to you, especially when they make decisions that affect you or when you feel you've been treated unfairly. She also wants to make sure you know about her work. This is important so that you can tell her if you're unhappy with what she's doing or if you think she should be doing things differently.
Stop racism. It's not nice as it has happened to me multiple times just because of where I'm from and the colour of my skin.
Rocio wants to know more about your experiences of inequality and how Wales can be more equal, and wants to help you share those experiences with the people who make decisions about your lives. She also wants to make sure that a new law to help you if you have additional learning needs is working well across Wales. And finally, Rocio wants to make sure that our team has people from lots of different backgrounds with lots of different experiences.
Make sure children don't go hungry, and more physical activities and clubs for free for all children.
Rocio wants to bring lots of different people together to make sure that the Welsh Government are doing everything they can to help families with the cost of living.
Treat bullying seriously. It's not just a harmless prank.
There are rules that schools and colleges have to follow to help them tackle bullying, but we know that bullying is still a huge issue for you. So Rocio wants to understand why bullying is still such a big problem and what needs to change. We heard about lots of different life experiences and ideas through Ambitions for Wales. These are some of the things Rocio and the team will be focusing on. And you'll be able to find out about what else we'll be working on by going to our website. If you're worried about any of the things we've talked about in this video, or you're worried that you're not getting your rights, you can get in touch with our advice team.